Cancer affects every family, and that's borne out in the statistics that 1 in every 2 individuals will have a cancer diagnosis in their lifetime. And often that cancer diagnosis or the journey towards cancer begins in primary care. And today, with this inaugural Primary Care Cancer Research Conference, we're bringing together a community that can answer the research questions on that journey and try and improve cancer outcomes.
The Marie Keating Foundation is very focused on the importance of early detection and also cancer prevention. We raise awareness about signs and symptoms of all common cancers through our work with communities all around Ireland. We run a range of cancer awareness campaigns, highlighting the specific signs and symptoms of cancer, how to spot cancer early, how to reduce your risk of cancer.
Public patient involvement in cancer research is critical, and I think it's the lived experience and the voice of those that are most affected, the person with the diagnosis and then the family, that they have to be heard, and through their experience, this will bring change towards cure, services and supports.
I think that when it comes to policy development, the role of stakeholder engagement and a collaborative approach is extremely important. So as policymakers, it's very important that we identify all the stakeholders who have a role in terms of improving cancer outcomes in Ireland. And of course, at the heart of that is patients and the general public. We work with people who deliver the healthcare services and with academia and researchers and the voluntary organisations. So I think there are many voices that need to be at the table when we're developing policy. And when we work collaboratively, we're better able to identify the kind of interventions that will improve cancer outcomes in Ireland.
PRiCAN's really aware that every step of the cancer journey is important to focus on. In particular, some of our work is focused on biomarkers in lung cancer screening.
I think one major challenge is that GPs are regarded as gatekeepers to the whole referral process, and they have to rely on their best judgment a lot of the time to make these decisions. What our research aims to do is to standardize that decision process a little more and make their lives easier.
We can refine the diagnostic process by looking at over-the-counter medication transactional data even before a patient goes to the GP, such that if they increase their purchases, we can bring them in for a screening.
So today we've heard the voices of patients, the researchers and the clinicians that will drive the research mission of early cancer detection in Ireland. So we can now work together to build the research infrastructure, the training and the policy improvements that will drive cancer care in Ireland.